What is going on, guys? So first thing is first, before we start this video, I want to say thank you to today's video sponsor, Snapple. They're not really, but I wish they were. Please sponsor me. I drink too many bottles from y'all a day. But basically this video is kind of something I did in high school to earn a little bit extra money. I also like doing it. I thought it was very fun, and maybe I'll make some friends. Who knows? But yeah, so this is a really easy way when you're in like high school, or you can even do this in college. You can do different things in college, but I'm just going to give you some examples that I personally did, and then you can kind of adapt it to the environment you're in, because it does kind of depend on that. So throughout high school, this is mainly for like if you have like $100 or something, and you just kind of want to double that, or just kind of work up towards it. Now there is limited supply. Or limited demand in a sense, because again, you can only target your school. You can target outer schools, it'll just be a little bit more difficult because a lot of people, almost everyone can do this. So what am I talking about? So in high school, what I used to do is I used to go to like Home Depot or Lowe's. What I ended up doing is I ended up buying like a roll of duct tape for around $5. And what I then did is I literally got my phone, or at that time it was like my Dell computer. I propped it up and I literally just typed in duct tape wallets, right? So I would then end up making these duct tape wallets and then selling them at school for around $5 to $10. Then after a while, I ended up getting like requests to make certain duct tape wallets. So I ended up doing that, and then you can charge up to $20. So it was nice because a roll of duct tape could go for around 10 or 20 wallets depending on the complexity. If you did a little, like if you did the big fold-out wallet, or if you just did like for the credit cards. But yeah, so again, it's a great thing. You can get 10 to 20 for $5 of duct tape. Let's say you get 15 out of them, let's just say the average, and let's say you get around $10 per wallet. That's right there, $100 for a $5 investment. And again, it doesn't really take long of your time, and you can do it while watching YouTube, right? Something educational, or you guys can watch it or you guys can do it while watching my credit course. Link in bio. So I had to shamelessly plug my course. But yeah, a quick thing about that, if you guys don't make your money back the day you finish it, basically, I will refund you. Yeah, that's just my guarantee on it. But anyways, that's one thing I did. Another thing you can do, I also did this, is, so you guys know Yu-Gi-Oh! Pokemon, right? Very popular. So what you can do is you can literally get pieces of paper. And so what I used to do is I would take pieces of paper, and I would kind of fold it, because I was very into origami at that point. And then I would just kind of tear them up. And what I would then do is I would then make playing cards, right? I would create my own monsters, have it based off Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!, kind of like your own style. So I used to do that. So it was a lot of fun. And again, you can make money, you can make friends, right? You can do stuff. But basically, I would literally just do it on paper. Now, I did get lucky, because I would then usually go into like my mom's work, or sometimes I'd give my mom the pieces of paper, and she would laminate them at her work, so I'm very thankful for that. So it just kind of made it look more professional. Now, I am going to admit this, so I did take requests for this as well. Shout out to Yates, you did give me $100 at one time to make your super powerful monster card. However, I just made myself a more powerful one, because I never wanted to be beat. But I appreciate that, bro. Lunch is on me next time. But anyways, so again, you guys can do that as well. So this was a long time ago, almost 10 years ago right now, if not longer, yeah, around 10 years. So again, it really just comes down to your environment, right? You can target this towards college. Again, obviously it'll be a couple of different things. Maybe for college you could make your own notes, right? You can make your own like study cases and stuff. Again, if you're in pre-med, and you get a very good study guide together, you can sell the crap out of that. Like, not even joking. But again, a lot of these, very little investment needed. Not a lot of time either, because it's usually something fun, or something that you're doing, like the pre-med thing. But yeah, it's just a nice way to side hustle, or just trying to get income, right? Because I know right now it's like, okay, we don't want to work, or we don't have time to work in a sense. And these are just some ways you can get started. Especially, trust me, if you're like 10 years old, another $100 every single week or month is going to be amazing. Another thing that I used to do, I got lucky because I was German. So what did that mean, right? So when I first came over to the States, German chocolate was the craze. However, you couldn't get it here. So what did I end up doing, right? Every time I went to Germany, I literally had like half of my suitcase basically packed. Either that or I would call my grandma and be like, hey grandma, I ran out of chocolate, can you send me some more, right? And she would send me like, because grandmas are amazing, we all know this, she would send me around like 10 to 20 boxes of like Duplo, Chocobons, all that stuff. So in a pack of Duplo, right, it's about €3, which is the equivalent to like, there was like $4, right? And each one in that thing, there were like 12 or 15, let's just say 15. I would sell each one for $5, right? So that's $75 I got for a, let's just say $5 investment. So I made $70 profit each time. Now, again, I got lucky because my grandma shipped it, and obviously my grandma's not going to charge me for shipping. But yeah, so I got very fortunate with that as well, but I made, again, good money. I honestly made, I think, almost $1,000 a month, because that was something where there was almost unlimited demand because people kept eating it, right? So yeah, again, that's just another thing you can do. But yeah, I don't know, I think for like half a year straight, I made $1,000, if not more, every single month. And again, it was nice, right? Is $1,500 a month insane amounts of money? No, it's not. Is it a good place to start? Yeah, it's better than zero. So you just gotta think of the environment, think of the things that you have going for you. But yeah, so that's just kind of my viewpoint on it. There's a lot of different things. Hopefully this helped open up your mind to different things you can do, because I feel like these three were very different from each other. So again, hopefully that helped. But anyways, don't forget to check out the credit course. Again, money back guarantee. Check out all the other free stuff I give away. Don't forget to like and sub this video or the channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.